In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Facebook ads on your feed. Are you tired of scrolling through your Facebook feed only to be interrupted by ads that seem irrelevant or intrusive? Well, you're not alone. Unfortunately, Facebook provides a way for you to customize or minimize these ads. Today, we're diving deep into the settings that let you control what ads you see on Facebook. First off, let's start by heading over to Facebook. Open your favorite web browser and type in www.facebook.com, then log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your home feed where you usually see posts from friends, groups, and yes, those ads we're talking about. Next, find the drop-down arrow in the top right corner of the page. This is where all your settings hide. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This area gives you control over various aspects of your Facebook experience, not just ads. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, you'll see another list of options. Click on Settings from this list. This action will take you to the General Account Settings page. Here is where the magic starts in terms of customizing your ad experience. Now, on the Settings page, look for Account Center at the bottom of the list on the left side of your screen. This section consolidates settings for Facebook as well as any linked accounts you might have, such as Instagram or WhatsApp. Once in the Account Center, it's time to dive into the heart of today's task. Look for Ad Preferences and give it a click. Ad Preferences is the hub for everything ad-related on Facebook. It allows you to see why you're seeing certain ads and make adjustments based on your interests. In Ad Preferences, click again on Ad Preferences. I know it sounds a bit repetitive, but Facebook layers some settings to ensure users have in-depth control over their preferences. Here you're getting close to the key settings that influence the ads you see. After navigating to Ad Preferences, your next step is to select Manage your ad preferences. This section breaks down into various categories, including your interests, advertisers, and ad topics, among others. Now we've arrived at the crucial part. Here you can choose which ads you'd like to stop viewing. This doesn't mean you'll stop seeing ads altogether. Remember, ads support the free services Facebook offers. However, it does mean you can have a say in the types of ads that appear on your feed. For instance, if you're not interested in ads about pet stores, you can remove that from your interests, and you'll see fewer ads in that category. Play around with these settings. If there are certain topics you'd rather not see ads about, this is the place to make those adjustments. Facebook uses information about your activity, both on and off Facebook, to decide what ads to show you. Updating these preferences can significantly enhance your Facebook browsing experience by making the ads you do seem more relevant to your interests. Remember, these changes won't be radical at first. It might take a little time before you notice a difference. Also, keep in mind that this won't reduce the number of ads you see. It will just make them more tailored to your preferences. And that's it. You now know how to stop seeing certain types of ads on your Facebook feed. It's all about taking control over your social media experience and making it suit your needs and comfort. Exploring ad preferences might also uncover other interesting settings you weren't aware of, giving you even more control over your account. Social media platforms like Facebook have evolved, and with these evolutions come more sophisticated ways for advertisements to reach potential customers. While this is part of the experience, having a say in what type of content appears in our feeds is a small but significant empowerment towards a more personalized online experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more guides and tips. See you in the next video.